Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network. Let's talk about diverticulitis. Diverticulitis is a common bowel disorder that is about having small pouches along the colon wall that can become infected or inflamed. These pouches, or diverticula, happen from constipation or the inappropriate diet, which can be about not enough healthy proteins and fats, or it can be about not enough fiber. That's something we could help you figure out if you're not certain how that comes about. But it's really important to keep your body in a good flow of stool, and we'll attach our Bristol stool chart down below so that you can make sure that your bowel movements are optimal, because as you age, the colon can become weaker, and then these pouches can become quite common. So those are something to avoid. Common symptoms associated with diverticulitis are abdominal pain and cramping, occasional bleeding, tenderness, or bloating, gas. Those can all be signs of this issue. Some recommendations to avoid diverticulitis are to make sure you get plenty of healthy fluids, healthy water, goodly amounts of quality salts, Celtic sea salt or Himalayan salt. Also, some people who already have the disease need to avoid nuts and seeds. It's also important to optimize your microbiome all the time, but especially if you're dealing with this issue. So we do recommend a full spectrum probiotic with Lactobacillus acidophilus, as well as Bifidobacterium, as well as Saccharomyces boulardii, a minimum of 20 billion colony forming units. Also, magnesium can be a really important tool to optimize bowel flow, as well as to keep the colonic musculature healthy and strong. So we recommend a mix of magnesiums, such as orthomoleculars, reacted magnesium, which is a malate, citrate, and lysine glycinate. So that can be important, and we can certainly assist you with optimizing your supplements. We do have a tool to measure this kind of stuff, which is our hair tissue mineral analysis, which measures your magnesium levels, your calcium, your sodium, your potassium, and also takes a look at your organ and gland function to assist you to work through any kind of issues like diverticulitis. So one of the tools to avoid getting diverticulitis, or to deal with diverticulitis when you have it, is our Enema Series, which is a 3-step process of enemas. Particularly that first enema in the series with the Made for Enema soap, which is rich in butyric acid, which is the main food for the colonic mucosal lining, which is really important to keep that colon healthy and strong and give place for the immune system and the microbiome to strongly reside, so that butyric acid used directly in the colon up levels the well-functioning of the colon in those ways. And then the second step is the sea salt and essential oil blend to help optimize the electrolytes and to support the healthy microbiome through the prebiotics of those particular essential oils. And then the third step in that enema series is the coffee enema, which just overall promotes good detox and is a form of dialysis of the blood to remove toxins and increase glutathione levels and improve the liver health. So we recommend the Enema Series for both avoiding diverticulitis, but as well as managing any symptoms that you might have if you have diverticulitis at all. During flare-ups, you probably want to use a liquid diet, as well as these therapeutics to get you through that. If you need support to optimize your health, please do reach out to us at theoptimalhealthnetwork.com. You can call us at 608-242-0200, and we know you can be really healthy and get through this. So please do reach out to us.